Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Fabfitfun. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Fabfitfun. This is the summer box. For those of you who don't know, and if you don't worry, I was there with you a year ago. Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription, so meaning every season there's a new box. So of course, I have a $10 coupon code. You guys can take a look. That link will be under the video if you guys want to save $10. But anyway, this box is $49.99. So if this is your first box, obviously it would be $39.99. Anyway, what this is a lifestyle box. So you get a super bunch of stuff. The only difference is between this and other subscription box is that you get to choose what is coming in your box. That's why I've kept this. It's been actually a year. Last year I started with the spring box. So that was like my birthday to myself for the spring. So I wanted to check it out. Obviously it's been a year and I've gotten this every season so far and I love it. This is like the box I recommend for folks to get because you get to choose your products rather than just get super random stuff they have to give away. So that's the cool thing. Now, the difference also is if you become like a yearly subscriber, you get to choose even more items in the box. So that is that. And I'll have the information for Fabfitfun under the video so you guys can take a look at that. But one of the things I love about Fabfitfun is that they come in these cute boxes. So usually I've kept the boxes, usually between myself and my daughter, we keep the boxes and we'll put different stuff in here. So she puts her art things in a box. I'll use a box, super random stuff like the dog stuff will be in a box, or you can decorate your room. It kind of depends on the style of the box. I know with the last box I got, I'm looking at it right now, it has like a turquoise color and that one had butterflies all over it, so I love it. That was for spring. But this is what I got for the summer. And as you can see, it's summer themes, sunshine, the sky, it looks like, the trees, and there's a woman actually on it. I just noticed it, so that's cool. All right, so let's get into the box to see if the summer box is worth it. This is the way that it looks inside, so you guys can see that. And it always comes with a magazine. So this is actually Gabby Douglas. We followed her when we were watching the Summer Olympics. So that's cool. And then it tells you some different tips and things inside, but it also gives you like all of the choices that could have come in your box. Now, I already know because the website tells you like the total value of your box. This one was shocking. I don't know if this is like the most retail value that I've gotten so far. I'd had to look at my blog and see just to compare my other Fabfitfuns, but this one was over $400. I believe it's like $425 or $428 to be exact. So that's $400 worth of stuff in this little box. But like I said, I'll put the total retail value on my blog. So if you guys are curious, you can check that out so you can see how much each product really was retail. And then they wrap it up with tissue paper, and that you can see there's a little Fabfitfun sticker. Like I said, this is the box that I have kept, and it's been about a year. So if you're not too sure if to get it, I would say get it, because a lot of the things here you can actually give to someone else also. So let me see here. Okay, so this is everything that is in the box. So let's dive in. All right, so the first thing I see here is, this is Beach Mist. Let me see if I can see that here. It says fresh. So I don't know, it's beach misty. So let me see if we can take a look at this one here. Okay, so it says lifestyle, the lifestyle company. So this is Beach Mist. So that is what that looks like there. And let me see if I can find that here so you guys can have an idea. And I actually like the magazine this year. Last time it was like super confusing to find the thing. So let me see if I can find this one specifically to see if I can kind of give you guys a retail value for it. If I find it, if not, this might be a bonus if it's not. If there's a product that you receive and it's not in the magazine, that means that that was a bonus. So let me see. Let me see how this beach mist smells. Well, I'm not gonna do all that. There we go. Finally. Okay, so it does have a beachy smell, but not like super crazy. I would definitely use this. So this has a good, it does have a fresh scent fragrance to it. So I like it. Thank you for the bonus, guys. So I do like that one. It's not like a crazy, disgusting beach smell. It has like a fresh, clean scent, beachy smell to it. So that's what that is here. So that's what that is from the Lifestyle Company. All right. And then the next thing I have here, this is Moisture Reset. This is facial oil. Okay, so this one I did see in the magazine. So let me see if I can find that so you guys can have an idea. So this is what it looks like there. And this was, I believe this was an option for me, but this is $120. So this is made with pure plants and rice bran extract. This blend nourishes the skin lipid barrier. So this is face oil. So if you know what face oil is, usually, because I can have, it depends on the season. So in the summer, I can have a little bit oily skin, but I usually use this at night, so it's not so much. So this is what it looks like there. And of course, you just put a little droplet on your face, depending on how much moisture you need. And it actually smells like a car. I've used a car, the company brand of car. I've used their facial oil and it kind of gives me that vibe. So if you ever used a car before, the facial oil, it kind of has that scent to it. So I usually use a little bit, like I said, but I use it overnight so it can do what it needs to do overnight, and then I can be ready for my day. All right, and the next thing we have here, this is from Makeup. What is this? Makeup Drop. So this is a beauty blender. So this beauty blender is actually, hold on. That beauty blender is actually $20. This is a hybrid makeup applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So let me see here. If we can get it open, because Lord knows we cannot. Okay, so I'm not gonna take that out because I don't want to break the box. I'm trying not to, but we might have to. Let me see. It might be soaked up with tape or something. I think if you unbox beauty boxes on camera, these couple minutes are like the longest minutes in the world, because you're like, seriously, I cannot open this. And I'm using the knife towards myself, which you usually tell your kids not to. Got it. All right. Finally. All right, so there you go. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. This is actually a smooth. So this part right here is a little firmer, and then the rest feels like a beauty sponge. But this right here is firmer, the firmer portion of it. So that's what I think they're talking about with the silicone side. So that is that, $20 for a beauty blender. That is probably for me the most expensive beauty blender for me in my makeup collection. Let me know in the comment section below if so far you've tried any of these, or did you decide to get the Fabfitfun summer box? Like I said, I haven't skipped any box so far. I've always seen something that I can choose and use myself. So the next thing I've gotten here is from Kate Somerville. This is, hold on, this, I know that I chose this as well. This is goat milk moisturizing cream. It says made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado. This gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for healthy glow, and this is $65. Seriously, I've heard a lot of good things about Kate Somerville. The only thing I've tried so far is their exfoliator, so I haven't been able to try like a ton of stuff from them. So that's why I chose this one, so I can choose some other stuff, because I've seen a lot of good reviews, and that's actually cute. So that's why I decided to try this. So goat milk, I've never had like a goat milk moisturizer before, so I'm gonna see here how this one smells. It doesn't really have like a scent to it, but let me show you guys what it looks like in there. And it almost fell out. But it does have like a creamy texture in it, not greasy. So I'm definitely gonna give that a go. And of course, if you follow my review, you guys know I review, well, if you don't know, if you follow my review, I do a lot of individual reviews for different products. So every time I get like a subscription box with any of my subscription boxes, I always individually review those products. Because sometimes when you do unboxings, I can't give you guys like the full effect. If it worked, did I like the scent after using it? So I like to do those on my blog. So you guys, just in case you guys are curious on different products, you can definitely check the blog out and take a look. All right, so the next thing we have here, it says Summer Rose, a place for everything. I don't even know what this is actually. Let me see if I see Summer Rose. I have no idea what this is. This may be a bonus, but maybe I should open it up to see exactly what this is, because it just says Summer Rose, but I have no idea. Yeah, I don't see Summer Rose in the book. Oh, that's right, I do remember this. Okay, so give me a second. This was actually, let me see if this is here. This was a bonus also. So what this was, this is like a little trinket. Not trinket, this is like a little, this is more decorative. So you can use this to put jewelry in. This is like one of those little dishes that you can put. And we just moved into our house, so this is super fancy. So I can put this in the bathroom, and it's really pretty. So if you can see there, it's like lined in gold, and it has like those little pinkish triangles in there, and then the rest is like white. So I thought this was pretty. Usually, the last time I got like dishes from Fabfitfun, and I actually love those dishes. Those dishes are actually in, I'm looking at them right now. They're in my dining room. So those are pretty. All right, so I like that. Let me see what else we have. We have two more things. Okay, so this thing here, let me see what this is. Oh, I remember what this is, but I don't know if that was part of anything in here, but I remembered this one. Oh, I do. Okay, so this is Terra Medi. This is aloe and tea tree toner. Now, this is $54, and what it says is, reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and slays away dead skin cells. Shipping restrictions apply. That was weird. All right, $54. It's all coming in the same package. That's why I'm like, shipping restrictions. That was weird. Okay, so they're super secure. This must be like a glass container to be so, okay, yeah, it is. All right, because I was like, why is it superly padded? All right, so that is what it looks like. And then this is toner. So this is like a really, really big bottle. I actually like the packaging of this too. As you can see, it's all floral. And then you guys know with skin care routines, you wash your face and you put the toner on after. I'm not too sure if this is gonna be, yeah, it seems like it has a safety seal. Let me grab that. And it has like a, let me see, hold on, before I say what I think it is. Yeah, super glass, you gotta be careful with that one. Okay, so it has a little bit of floral scent, but I don't like floral, but it's not like a strong floral. So I would definitely, I'm gonna give that a try. Let me see if I see the topper here. Okay, I'll find it later. Anyway, so $54 for a toner. I'll be honest, I've never spent that much on a toner before, and that's why, because I would probably break it. All right, so let me get the last thing here. Okay, so this is the reason why, one of the reasons why, because I knew I was moving into a house. So this is actually from Pottery Barn, and this is actually a diffuser, Solstice diffuser from Pottery Barn. So this is like my first choice. You had a choice. They give you, like I said, they give you different choices. You can choose. Now, let me see the retail value of this. The retail value of this is $59. Now, we all know that when I take it out the box, it's not gonna look exactly like the photo. So let me show you guys first. It's this right here. So that's what I'm working with right now. So I can put that somewhere in my house. I have to figure that out. I'm kind of nervous to take this out because I don't know what I'm taking out here. Okay, so it's not together, so I have to put it together. So I'm not gonna take it out because we be here all day. All right, so I'm gonna put this back, but let me show you guys all the options you could have gotten in your Fabfitfun. So it says the most you could have gotten with all the combinations was $477. Like I said, this is the most expensive one I've gotten, but I wanna show you guys everything that you could have gotten. So you see there, a bag, the diffuser, what is this? Oh, eye cream. The eye cream was, what is that? $82 is what you could have gotten. Could have gotten these things here. And there's more. Isaac Mizrahi. That Isaac Mizrahi kimono, that thing sold out by the time I got to choose my options, so that was crazy. See the Kula, and then you have the hair and shampoo. You have a summer picnic basket, I think it was. A cooler bag. And then the chain, and let me see what else you could have gotten. Just to give you guys an idea, if you've never heard of Fabfitfun before, could have got sunglasses. I got sunglasses from the company Quay, and that was from Australia. Those sunglasses were like over $100. It was crazy. And that was my first box. So those are other things you could have gotten. And then here you go. This is, what is that? An eyebrow pencil. Murad, Amika, the Beauty Blender, and that is it. I didn't actually see this. They have a vase. That vase is pretty. Anyway, all right, so that is everything that came back for me. So let me do a recap so you guys can see everything again of what we got. So like I said, we got the Pottery Barn diffuser. So we have that there. And then we also have the really expensive toner. We have that. And then we have the goat milk moisturizing cream. We also have, what is this? The facial oil. That was super mega expensive. We have that beach mist. So when you go out, whenever we go out, you can smell beachy, or you can use that as like a room spray. And then we have the Beauty Blender. And then we have that little plate dish, fancy dish plate. So that was everything in the box. Let me show you guys really quick. It's not fancy, but it is what it is. All right, so what did you guys think of the summer Fabfitfun? For me, like I said, it's worth it. I wouldn't have kept it for a year. Believe me, I would have canceled that sucker a long time ago. But definitely make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.